All right, just wanted to take a moment here today to really highlight a great company that we've been dealing with, show them a little bit of love, is Concept One Performance. They do a fantastic job with pulley systems. As you know, here at Prestige, we cover everybody's, from basically vintage air front runners, billet specialties, of course Concept One, March Performance, all of them. And we have some of our own proprietary kits. We just really haven't been able to show Concept One a whole lot of love, but their kits are just as nice, if not nicer, than everybody else's out there. It really just boils down to a style that you're after. So I just wanted to take a moment because we had two of our supercharged motors this week while we were doing all of our boosted combinations, and really had to give them a shout out for the kit that they developed for the YSI supercharger. I feel like I've been talking about it all week, but it's a killer setup. And I probably mentioned before, for anybody that's wanting basically a supercharger with all the amenities, this one doesn't have power steering, so we can delete that, as you can see here. But this one does have power steering. So basically the AC compressor tucked way down in the bottom down here, and then of course our water pump, alternator, and our power steering. Then you have really the configuration of the color scheme. So this is a natural blower, so we went with a natural alternator, and the rest of it all blacked out. This one, polished supercharger, so we did the polished alternator, all blacked out. So they're very versatile in what they offer. And then same thing with this one, this beautiful stacked injected motor. Couldn't help it, love the Shelby covers too. These are new ones that are available through us to replace some of the Ford Racing ones that were discontinued. But this one obviously is alternator and power steering only with the water pump, no air conditioning. And this is just another example, and of course it's all polished, and then this has like their clear anodized coating on it. So either give us a call or Concept One a call when you're looking for a really nice, well-developed pulley system. Thanks for watching.